выходи! Выходи, выходи, выходи! Бездавьте, люди!
A Ukrainian Defense Forces tank rams a burning Russian MTLB with infantry inside. Selidove-Mikhailivka region, Pokrovsk direction. And we have another angle and the longer footage. Russian forces deployed at least 4 armored vehicles, including a T-72 tank, to block a road under a railway bridge near Selidove. Ukrainian Defense Forces managed to capture the tank and eliminate its crew using FPV drones. There were 15 of us. I am the only one left alive. A Russian Yakut soldier complains that his group was destroyed and they are not provided with help and water. Dracarys! The Targaryens entered the battle. The most powerful fire is at the end of the video. Ukrainian drone of the Korn group sprays a flammable mixture over the positions of Russian fascists in the forest plantation. The enemy will be defeated, they say. and the war is still on Russian territory. A Russian in underwear films himself with his house burned down in the village of Tetkino in the Kursk region. My house is on fire and I can't do a thing. How's the special military operation going?
Твою мать. И я стою, и я вот стою. Фотографируй меня, я стою.
A Russian Shahed kamikaze drone flying toward Ukraine has been shot down above Gomel, Belarus. It's interesting that Belarusia is downing Russian drones that fly over its territory. It was shot down around 30 kilometers from the Belarus-Ukraine border. Belarus is now one of the countries affected by Russia launching Shaheds, as well as Poland, Moldova, and Romania. Electrical locomotive spontaneously combusted at Levoberezhnaya station in Khimki, Moscow.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.